Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host here, Gigi Faison. And guys, I welcome you all here as today's video is part of a collaboration. I was contacted by HyPark, and HyPark is a company that uses recyclable wood to create 3D versions of animals. And the reason they use the recyclable wood is so that, to help the planet. Wood chips and things that are just tossed out or thrown away, they recycle them and create such beautiful home decor, very decorative 3D version pieces. Now I have chosen two beautiful pieces, one being this gorgeous butterfly and the other one this very elegant and very cute unicorn. And y'all know when I saw these two, I thought of my granddaughter. She likes unicorns and she loves butterflies. Every time I wear my little butterfly necklace here, she just loves it. She's almost 3, so I thought the light up version would be great for her room. Now her older sister used to like unicorns. I don't know if she still does or not, but if she doesn't, then we'll pass it on down to the little one. But these are two of those little versions, and I will leave a code and the link to HyPark so that you may go and hopefully find something that interests you. Mother's Day is right around the corner, so even though I picked these pieces up for my granddaughter, you may have a sister or a cousin, or maybe even your mother may like these pieces. So yeah, check out the link in my description box. There will be a discount code there as well. But let me just tell you a little bit about the company. Now this is how they came boxed in, just like this with the packaging. And I had recorded me, and I may be able to still share that, but just in case I can't, this is what the packaging looked like with the shredded papers, nicely covered. And then you could read HyPark on the front of the little box here. So nothing really fancy, but the pieces are absolutely beautiful. Now let's talk about this company. So a representative from HyPark reached out to me and asked me to collaborate with them. I was more than happy to do so once I saw what it was all about. HyPark is a home decor brand started with consciousness of the environment and wild animals. Everything they curate is designed in-house by their creative and detail-oriented designers, produced in partnership with the exclusive Sustainable and Ethical Factory. They are here to raise awareness of the environment on our planet, as well as wild animals. They are also to support organizations that make the planet a better place. Every piece that they sell is made out of recyclable wood, and the paint they use are also certified as sustainable. They devote themselves to the environment and the sustainability, committed to giving to nonprofit organizations to make the planet a better place. Better planet, better place. HyPark is well on its way. Guys, I hope I have shared something with you. Hopefully you've enjoyed the pieces. As I stated, Mother's Day is right around the corner. I will have a discount code in my description box along with the link to HyPark. So go and have fun. Now these pieces come in 3 versions: without light, with LED light, and sound activation LED light version. I chose the LED lights. The best sellers are available in plus size and mega size versions. The interior scenes are carefully mechanically carved from high quality multi-layered recycled wood boards paired with elements, living environment and history, etc., integral to the shape. Exquisite design, and it adds a natural scent to any space, suitable for art decorations in your home, or cafes, your bars, your offices, and much, much more. So hope you will enjoy. So guys, your discount code will be GG20. And the items that I have chosen and that I have shared with you is the blue Morphe butterfly, and it is the lighted version. And the unicorn is the sound activation LED light version. These are the items that I've chosen, and that I have shared with you guys. So click the link to go do your shopping and use the code GG20. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed my demonstration as I shared with you how this little one has multiple colors that you can, and different actions of vibrations. But if you look at it, it just looks like a little plain unicorn, but actually it's way more than that. So if you have someone that likes the LED and likes to see things dance around, then choose this one, the unicorn. Absolutely beautiful 3D version woodcuts. Like the butterflies come in, I think 1 or 2 other colors, but I chose this one. And you saw the way that it looked when I had the light up on this one. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Hope you find something that you may enjoy having. Don't forget, check in my description box for that, for the code. Be blessed, take care, until the next video. I am your host, your Styling with Gigi Faison. Check out Hyde Park and all of its lovely pieces that they have to offer.